Good evening. Welcome to my Chem Plus Chem class. Today I will discuss about gamma function, how it calculated gamma function and where it is applied. Gamma function is a very important function to solve various mathematical problems in chemistry, and it is a one type of exponential function, limit 0 to infinity, and it is applied in various large systems. Suppose to calculate kinetics theory of gas, some mathematical problems in frequency calculations of gas, it is applied. And what is gamma function? Let us see. I write it is gamma function, which is gamma function. And this gamma function, function is this is written as factorial gamma of n. This is gamma function sign gamma n. It is written as 0 to infinity, limit 0 to infinity e to the minus t n minus 1 into dt, where n is equal to greater equal to 0. This is actually gamma function. This is actually gamma function. It can, if you indicate the gamma function, it is mathematical form. It is mathematical form of gamma function. This is a gamma function equal to e to the minus t 0 to infinity into the minus t n minus 1 into dt. And to calculate the gamma function of any systems, we some important integrated or some important parameters will be known before. And this let us see I equal to 0 e to the minus later e to the minus x square into dx. It is needed to solve the gamma function, and hence it is solved before e to the I equal to e to the minus x square. It is x square. It is let's say, and this is I square. It means I into I. This is I 1 of I. This 0 to infinity e to the minus x square into, and another I. It is multiplied by 0 to infinity e to the minus x square. This is 1 of I, and this is 1 of I, and this is it is I. It returns equal to 0 to infinity e to the minus x square into dx, x square into dx, and it is 0 to infinity e to the minus y square into dy. It is x, and it is y, as the xy axis is for linear systems, it is can be replaced by x square. In case of y square, it can be replaced. It is very important point. E to the minus x square can be replaced by e to the minus y square into dy, and hence it is can be written e to the minus x square plus y square into dx dy. And Cartesian coordinate, and if change the Cartesian to polar coordinate, let's see x square plus y square is equal to r into the, and hence dx dy will be r into dr and dy d phi, r into dr into d phi, and phi equal to 0 to pi by 2 angle, 0 to pi by angle. It is for changing Cartesian to polar, it is will be changed, and hence double integrated 0 to infinity and 0 to pi by 2. It is e to the minus r square. This is x square plus y square is equal to r square e to the minus r square into r into dr. This is dx dy. In dxy you input this value, the r into dr d phi, and from this point we know from here, this is if we integrate here, we calculate 0 to infinity e to the minus r square into dr, r into dr, into 0 to pi by 2 into d phi. Then this if you integrated this value, it is integrated value to the minus r will be obtained half. 0 to integration by parts, it will be half calculate, and it is will be pi by 2. It is will be pi by 2, and hence it is equal to pi by 4. It is pi by 4, and I square equal to pi by 4. That is y square equal to pi by 4, and I equal to hence I equal to root over of pi by 2. This is actually value of, this is actually root over I equal to, which is value I equal to hence I equal to 0 to infinity e to the minus x square into dx is equal to pi by 2, root over pi by 2. And if another important point very important to calculate here, to calculate gamma function, this is we can say root over pi by 2 equal to it is can be written root over pi by 2 0 to infinity to the minus x square into dx. If we say we put x square is equal to t, then it can be written dx 2x into dx is equal to dt, and hence x is equal to dt dt by 2 into x, this is here x equal to power of t, this is equal to dt by 2 into power of t. This is can be written here. Input value 0 to infinity integrated, if you change the x and t, it infinity it is 0, it is 0 limit change, and hence e to the power minus x square into t minus t into dt by 2 into the power t. That is simplified. If 2 is half of out of integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus t, this is t minus half, it is t is equal to minus half. It can be written, this is 0 to infinity pi e to the minus t e to the minus t, this can be written 1 minus half, this is can be 1 minus half, it is into dt dt, this one will be here. And that is you see here a gamma function, you see the form of gamma function, it is here you see the gamma function a is equal to 0 to infinity t to the power e to the power minus t to the power n minus 1 into dt. This is gamma function, this is same form, this is exact form same, and hence it can be written gamma function of half, gamma function, this is n, this is n, this is can be written in the gamma function of this is half minus, this is half minus 1, this is can be written half minus 1, this is in form of this same form, this is gamma function of half, this is gamma function of half, and hence gamma function of half equal to this is half, this half cancel, and gamma function root over of pi. This is gamma function, very important point of the to calculate gamma function. If you various exam you can one question you make come one question, what is value of gamma function of half, what is value of gamma function of half, you may struggle various exam question, and then hence it is can be written as root over of pi. And 2 points are very important to calculate in gamma function. Now I am to thoroughly going to calculate the gamma function, about gamma function, which is gamma function. You know gamma function equal to 0 to infinity e to the minus t to the power minus n minus 1 dt is exactly, it is integration by parts. You can calculate n minus 1 0 to infinity e to the power minus t n minus 2 into dt by integration by parts. You can obtain it integration by parts, and hence you can say that this is gamma function n, this is n minus 1, this is same form but n minus 2, and actually can be n minus 1 into gamma function n minus 2, gamma function n minus 1, gamma function n minus 1. This is when gamma function can be written, this is in form of n minus 1, this is n minus same form n minus less 1, and this is hence gamma function minus 1, gamma function n minus 1. This is actually by successive parts, by integrated by successive step, it is can be written n minus 2, n minus 3, and then gamma function of 1 by successive step, it is can obtain successive step, can obtain, and hence can be written n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and gamma function equal to 1. This is value equal to 1, and this is actually a factorial of n minus 1. It is very interesting. Gamma function n equal to factorial n minus 1. It is very various you can handle various exam which is exact value of gamma function n. It is gamma function n equal to it is can put that n minus 1, gamma function equal to gamma n minus 1. In various BSc exam various question come, one question may come to prove, you may prove gamma function n equal to n minus 1. This is actually value. If you consider the integral value, n equal to half of integer, then it will obtain gamma function of n equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, and that is 5 by 2, 3 by 2, half into gamma function of half can be obtained, and which is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 dot 5 by 2, 3 by 2, half into which is gamma function half, which calculate before root over of pi. It I calculate first the value of gamma function of half. This is can be written as a gamma function half, and this can be it is n equal to half of integer. It is can be if we man see this two. It is also can your at exam you may want to know if n equal to half of integer, which value which is form of gamma function. This is gamma function, exact form of gamma function. This is gamma function, form of gamma function. This is actually gamma function, various types of gamma function and various important points. And now it is where it is applied. It is applied in kinetic gas, and in next time it is I see how it is application. It has application in various fields. Let us see. If if we consider I equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus dx square into x to the power n into dx. This suppose it is one form of integration. This n equal to may 1 2 3 4 5. This is this is even value, and this is odd value. In to calculate this function, we can see that it is different type integration for even number and odd number. And let us see here. If this is n equal to 1, this is odd value. For odd value, we calculate for odd value of n. This is n equal to 1. This is odd value. I equal to will be 0 to infinity e to the power minus dx square into x. This is n equal to 1. This is dx. And if would be x square dx square equal to let's see t, and 2bx into dx is equal to dt, and 2b x into dx is equal to dt by 2b, and you input this value 0 to infinity, and change the integration the xt. It is infinity 0 to 0 and 0 to infinity 1 by e to the power minus t. X is equal to what is x into dx, x is equal to dx dt by 2b, and it is can be obtained 2b is constant value. This is 0 to infinity e to the power minus t and to dt. You can write it 1 by 2b 0 to infinity e to the power minus t into t 1 minus 1 into dt. Which is gamma function equal to n equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power n minus 1 into dt, and hence it is here n equal to 1. This is gamma function of 1. This is gamma function 1 equal to 1. This is actually gamma function 1. This is actually 1 by 2b gamma function of 1. This is 1 by 2b. This is answer 1 by 2b. It is if we calculate the even value, and this is gamma function of 1 by 2b. If this another integral 3, this is next 3, this thing 3, and if is x square, let same order. This is x is equal to 3, and even here you calculate x square into t by b. If you x cube, it is x cube dx. So input this value x cube. This is can be written x cube. This can be written as x squared x into dx, and why is x squared? This is x into dx. This is x into dt by 2b x into dx, and x squared is which x squared t by b, and hence you change something here. 2b and 1, this is 2b square, this is 2b square, 0 to infinity e to the power minus t into dt, and can be 1 by 2b square, 0 to infinity e to the power minus t. This is 1 means 1 means 2 minus 1 can be written here. This is gamma function of factorial gamma function of 2, which is gamma function 2. Again gamma function n equal to gamma function n minus 1 factorial. It is gamma function of 2. This is factorial n1. This is factorial 1 equal to 1. Also gamma function of 1 equal to 2. This is actually 2b square. This is actually 1 by 2b square into 1. That is actually 1 by 2b square. 1 by 2b square. Here it that is a gamma function of various of 2b square. Can be written 1 by 2b square. If you calculate the gamma function of another 5, this is actually 5 here. Input 5, and this is actually can be written. This is actually 4. is x to the power 4, and this means this 4, this is x into the dx same x dt by db dt into db, and this is x4, this is x squared into t by b, this is x squared actually. Hence it can be changed here, 2bq, it can be changed, 2bq into 2 into b square into bq by t square. We have t square, it is change something here, 1 by 2bq it is as factorial aggressive factor e to the 0 to infinity e to the minus t 3 minus 1 3 minus into dt, and hence can be a factorial gamma function 3, and gamma function if gamma function calculate 3 and factorial 2 equal to factorial 2 equal 2, this is 2, as you can put the value 2, hence 1 by 2 bq, here is bq in 1 by 2 bq into 2, this is 2 cancel, hence 1 by bq answer. So this is for gamma function value. The gamma function is value of odd integer value. This is 1 by 2, first n equal to 1 by 2b, second is x to the power 3 on 2b square, and for n by 5, n is equal to 5 into 1 by bq. This is case of odd integer. If we calculate even integer, this is value even integer, even value, n equal to even value. This is n equal to 2, so 2, hence can be n square, this is square, and this can be x into dx can be written, and hence the exact value x, this is change here from there, will be changed, will be changed here. This is 0 to infinity e to the minus, if is let see, this is value same for input value, this is x equal to, this is e to the minus t, and x, which is x is equal to t by b, this is half into x into dx dt by 2b. It will be 2b constant term will be out of integration, 0 to infinity e to the minus t, 0 to infinity e to the minus t, hence t half is equal to 2bq, 1 into the 3 by 2 into dt, exactly. This is 1 by 2b 3 by 2 into 0 to infinity minus t t half, this is t half can be written 1 minus half, this is can be written n minus 1, this is 3 by 2 minus 1, and this is can be written 3 by 1, this is 3 by 2 minus 1, this is half actually, can be written, and this is gamma function 3 by 2, this is actually gamma function 3 by 2, this can be written here. We simplify this problem, 1 by 2bq 3 by 2 into 0 to infinity, this is gamma function of 3 by 2, which is gamma function 3 by 2, even function you gamma 3 by 2 is equal to, can be written half into gamma function of half, it is half into gamma function half is equal to root over of pi, which is calculated before, and root over pi by 2 is input this value, 1 by 2b 2bq 3 by 2 into root over pi by 2, hence 1 by 4 root over of pi by b3 to the 3 is equal to, this is value exactly, this is for even function, and where x is equal to n is equal to 2. If we consider another even function is equal to n is equal to 4, we can is equal to n is equal to 4, this is actually will be put input 4, and 4 can be written, this is q x into dx, and this also same will be changed here, in this point it will be changed here. This is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus t q, this is q, which is q, this is in this you calculate x t by b half, and x is q is equal to t by b 3 by 2, this is it will be t by b 3 by 2 into x into dt by 2b, this is same, you input this value 2b, this is actually 1 by 2 b 5 by 2 b 3 by 2 and half plus 5 by 2 is out of side of integration 0 to infinity e to the minus t, and this is t to the power 3 by 2 into dt. It is can be written same for 2 2 into b to the power 5 by 2, 2 into b to the power 5 by 2 can be written here. This can be written 3 by 2. This is 5 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 1 dt, 5 by 2 minus 1. This is actually gamma function will be 5 by 2, same. This is 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2 change, and here will be change here. Now this point we calculate root over 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. This is equal to 3 by 2 into 5 by 2. This is actually 3 by 4, 3 by 4 into over 5, 3 by 4 into over into 5, 3 by 4 into over 5, 3 by 4 into over 5 over 5, 3 by 4. And the input this value 1 by 2b to the power 5 by 2 into is equal to 3 by 4, 3 by 4 into pi to the power pi. This is, hence it can be obtained 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 to the power of pi by b to the power 5, pi by b to the power 5. This answer pi by b to the power 5. In this this is exactly gamma function for even is equal to x is equal to 4, sorry, n is equal to 4, n is equal to n is equal to 2 or n is equal to 4. This is follow same pattern, which is gamma function of odd integer. This is 5 by 2, this is before 3 by 2. And if we calculate even function, for even function, this is n equal to odd function, 1, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. And this same another pattern. And this in this applying this formula in various case, system we can simplify. Let us see various important example is to calculate Maxwell distribution function. We apply I have various application types of gamma function. By applying the gamma function, the Maxwell derivation, various frequency derivation, we can easily solve. And this is very important for NEET GATE set on BSc exam, because applying this formula we various mathematical problem is solved. And have to question in NEET or GATE, the if can see question, if n equal to 4, which what will be gamma function value, gamma function value, or evaluate the n equal to 4 value is will be option 1, 2, 3, 4, which is correct option will be give it tick. And you may practice here. And in this class at this point. Okay, bye.